What's good, y'all? In today's video, I want to talk about the AI tools that we've been using in web design to expedite the process, crush our goals, and really see how this AI thing is taking the world by storm. Without further ado, let's dive in. So before I jump into my computer, I do want to preface it by saying there are tons of AI tools out there like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, tools for developing sitemaps, copy. I mean, there's so many things out there. In this video, I'm focusing on two tools that I want to show you that have been helping us expedite the process when it comes to design and development at our agency. I feel like AI is at a point right now where it can empower us, it can help us pull out some of this creativity and really come up with some cool concepts, designs, and ideas that we can share with our clients. So let me dive into my computer and show you what we got. Now that we're here, I want to show you all two really cool tools that I've been testing in this AI space. I mean, being a web designer in this day and age is insane. There are so many tools and resources that are coming available. So I want to show you two specifically in the web design space. Here I am in Wix Studio. You've got tutorials, updates, inspiration, all that good stuff. And I've got all my tabs here on the left-hand side. So essentially, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the generative AI tools that have been conducive for using Wix. So I'm going to start with a template. So I'm going to hit custom templates. They've got a ton here that I can start with. So I'm going to hit see all templates. And I'm a big minimalist design type of guy. So let's go ahead and see if we can use kind of like this insurance page. Let's go ahead and view it so I can view it in real time to see what this website looks like. Looks really clean. I like the color palette here. Let's go ahead and test this one out. So I'm going to go ahead and hit back, and then I am going to hit edit. What it's going to do is generate this in a display so I can go ahead and edit and update this website in real time. I'm going to show you some of the generative AI tools that you can use. I can update copy. I can update sections. I can also use responsive AI to work on desktop sections that will push to mobile. So just really dope stuff here, y'all. So as you can see, I'm in the editor here. I have the editor edit menu here with all of my items here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the features here that are really cool. So one thing, I can actually generate AI text. So if I click create AI text, I can add information here. So let's say I wanted to change this website from insurance to a creative studio. My business type, I'm going to put creative studio. My business name, let's call it really cool spot. And then this is like a welcome type of topic. And then I'm going to hit create text. Now I've got three options that I can use. I'm going to use this one. I like this. Step into the world of creativity. So we're going to hit use text. And then we're just going to go here, hit copy. I'm just going to drop it in here and go boom. All right. I like it. Like it. Looks great. So we can do the same thing here with create AI text, just adding the information here and then what's important to mention. So as you can see, it's already pre-populated Creative Studio, pre-populated really cool spot. And then it can be a paragraph. And then the topic of this text is about what's important to mention, that we've been in business since 2002 and have worked with some really cool brands. Okay. I'm going to fix my grammar here, make sure it's on point, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit create text. The generative AI text creator is going to generate that text for me all in real time, which is super dope. As you can see, I've got some long options here. I'm going to go with this one. I'm just going to hit copy text and I'm just going to drop it in here. Now, it might be a little long, but this is just to show you an example of what that looks like. I'll probably take this out and just leave it like this. And there we go. Awesome. Awesome. One other thing is I'm going to go ahead and create a section and kind of walk you all through this. So I hit plus. I'm going to use this layout here. And then what I can do is I can use responsive AI to generate that section. But first, I'm going to drop some content in here. So let's add an image. Let's go to Unsplash. Let's just hit design. Unsplash is another platform where you can get high-res images. It plugs straight into Wix. I can hit change background here. Okay, so I've got my background, looks good. Now I'm gonna add some other elements like text. So I hit plus in the upper left-hand corner. I've got images, title, paragraph. I'm gonna add a title. Let's go ahead and add it here. All right, we're gonna make the color white. Stands out a bit. Then we're gonna change the background on this side. Make it a little bit darker. There we go. Okay. Now we got our title here. And we'll put what we do. What we do. Then I'm going to add some more text here. Whoops. Let's do paragraph. Drop it in there. Boop. Okay. And then this is going to be what we do. So I'm going to use generative AI to come up with some text here. So as you can see, pre-populated paragraph is going to be service intro or service description. Service name is video game design. Talk about our retro game style. Create text. It's going to generate that text for me in just a few seconds. Boom, there we go. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to drop it right in here as a part of my content. And I'm going to change this to white because it's going to be easier to see. There we go. All right. And I think we should probably stretch this here. Okay, we'll leave it like that for now. Now, one really cool thing here is once I highlight this full section, I can hit this. And now it's going to generate this for responsive device, which is insane. So really all I have to do is create the entire desktop or mobile, whatever you want to use as your primary. And as you can see, it's going in and it's generating a responsive design in real time to fix how that section looks. Still going, looks good. All right, there we go. So it's updated that. And what I can do is I can kind of test it out to see what it looks like. So mobile looks pretty good. Of course, we would clean up these edges a bit, but ultimately I think it looks really awesome. We've got tablet. We've got desktop, and I can either discard those changes or I can apply those to my design, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and hit discard for now. And then I'm just going to remove this section for now as well and go back to here. And as you can see, I've got my site, I've got my updates. So tons of different things that you can do. I mean, there are so many cool things you can do with this tool. Some of the things include, which I've showed you, is using this for copywriting, right? So sparking ideas when your writer block strikes, you can use this AI tool to integrate that into your site pretty simply, from H1s to paragraphs, titles. You can also produce teaser videos here as well. But the AI lab is just, it's really robust and really developing each day. I'm loving all the site options that I can use that are leveraged within the tool, which give you AI-driven insights and more in regards to building out your site. So I got to test it, got to check it out. I hope you all enjoyed that. Thank you all for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe, drop your comments or questions below, and I will see y'all soon. Peace.